Hi, to enable and disable automatic system updates on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, firstly go in your tablet settings and here find developer options settings. If you cannot find it, don't worry, this feature is usually hidden, so to unhide it, we will need to go in this About tablet. From here, choose Software Information and now find Build Number. So what we are gonna do next is we need to tap 7 times on the build number to enable developer options. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now developer mode has been turned on. So to check this, we will need to scroll a bit more. And now underneath the About tablet, we could see developer options. So select it. And from here, you can adjust some of these settings. So you can enable and disable some of the features. And now just scroll so you could see this feature auto-update system. If you would like to enable automatic updates overnight when the tablet restarts, you will need to tap on the switcher so it will light up blue like that. To disable it, just tap on the switcher again. And as you can see, it is applied when the tablet restarts. When you are done changing this setting, you can disable developer options if you just tap on the switcher to turn it off. But for that, as you can see, we'll need to restart device. So let's tap the button. And now the tablet will turn off and just within a couple of seconds, it will turn on again. And developer options will disappear. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.